very interesting place over here. Over here is the appling oil. The appling oil is for give the products very special thing. So right now we are going there. Let's see how the ladies are making the oil in the products. So right now I'm thinking like maybe I can duel with them. So like that I can show you like how we make that thing over here. Let me talk with them. I put it down. So let's get ready to put the oils in the products. 完了，这个，这个是吧？行，我这个在这里。然后配2项，保持材。油，2项。就盘就行。不行。够了，然后磨。Very interesting. It looks simple, but it's difficult because they have to make that thing with passion and they have to fix like they have to know like how to make the product.